find is the support of the ministry. I think that thankfully we've had the Deputy Minister for Agric here, and from what he has said,
some brown production, that is cereal and Lego maize production, and they are in 6 variants. We have wheat maize, rice maize.
1 Minute TV, promoting African businesses home and abroad. 1 Minute TV, the best and the only way to sell your brand to the world. 1 Minute TV.
I've been helping at Comfort for many years now, maybe 15 or so years, to promote chicken and eat an egg a day. I went with her to the Volta region, Eastern region, Ashanti region, and Greater Accra region. And then a young lady I met through her told me that she's taken over, and if I could be a part of it, I could be a judge. So I accepted because I believe that I am a voice for my sector and also now Agric, because I represent people in Ketu South as their member of parliament, and I'm looking for opportunities for them. So I wanted to come, one, to support them, and also to meet people who are producing chicken and selling eggs, to see what ideas they have and how I can involve my youth and so on. Coming here today also has given me opportunity to see other Ghana-made products, and I am blown away. The kinds of things I've seen now gives me a lot of hope. What I didn't find is the support of the ministry. I think that thankfully we've had the Deputy Minister for Agric here, and from what he has said, I think next year will be better. I also listened to Kwabena Japan speak and Zanata Rollins also speak, and it seems to me as if people who came here in leadership and in government understand the need for the growth of the sector. If what I read and what the minister said are anything to go by, then it means that there's a huge gap that has to be filled. They've talked about the fact that we have about only 15 to 20% of the capacity that we have to produce food, protein for our people. So the 80%, when are we going to take advantage of that so we stop importing chicken? Many of us don't like chicken that has been on the sea for 2-3 months. So anywhere I go, if there's fish, I prefer to eat the fish than to eat the chicken. Maybe the fish is also important, I don't know. But my mind tells me it's better. Potential for us to grow the industry so we can get more food for our people, and also so food security will be assured, and also job creation is also assured. I mean, the industry has a value chain that you can't finish using, you know, from those who are farming maize and soya, which is what 70% of what the chicken eat. So that's the market right there. There's also those who are into the poultry itself, those who take the eggs and sell, those who cook with it, those who use it for all kinds of things. Bread, how are you going to make bread without eggs? How are you going to make a cake without eggs? How are we going to make ice cream without? I mean, there's so much. The value chain is like a huge market on its own. So I'm hoping with the support that has been assured by the minister, in a year or so, we'll gather here and the story will be different. And all of you who have your cameras up here in my face, use the medium that you are on to promote it. So next year it will be better.
Towards next year, what can you say to government to push for this year to be the government of Ghana Poultry?
No, the suggestion that was set out in the morning was because of the discussion we had as members of parliament. There were three of us who are members of parliament, Zana Rawlings, and then the deputy minister for Awake. We were talking about it before the program started that it would be good to have it as part of our celebration next year. After all, it's a Republic Day, isn't it? So what does a republic mean? That we have freedom, that we have, sorry? So we have our country as ours. We're not under anybody, okay? So why are we still depending on people for the basics? Well, as I said, when I was a child, we get chicken once a year, Christmas time. Now it's every day. So something that we eat every day. Why should we depend on some other country to be eating that every day? It's such an embarrassment, really. It shows that we have a long way to go, but the realization that this is a potential should be the quick start. Hopefully, government is listening. Hopefully, people who take decisions at the Ministry of Agric will listen and join us next year, 1st July, so we can have a bigger advocacy and celebration and the promotion of Ghana chicken.
Please, can we get your advice based on the, let me say, with the youth that are coming up?
I'm afraid of the youth. You don't want to be told anything. Every youth wants an easy way to solve their solutions. But the saying that shortcuts are dangerous is true. You can't be rich tomorrow just because today you woke up and you are behind a computer. You know, so I wish that the story of perhaps you take a picture of BBC, you see the story of this gentleman and the fact that he showed me videos and pictures on his phone of his farm, the number of birds that he has, the number of I mean, it's incredible, and the crates, piles of eggs that his chickens lay, and look, that's huge money. That's huge money. Are the youth willing to go and learn? Are they humble enough to go and learn?
We see it, let me say, on the behalf of the youth, we see it as something like when you are being asked to go to the farm, it's like a punishment and all that. But you know more, and we want you to tell us. You have the example
of BBC. Mm-hmm. You have the example of John Dumelo, who is a successful actor or creative artist, and now a farmer. And in that field too, he's doing. I saw tracks of ginger that John Dumelo had harvested, and I went like, Lord, I mean, look at that. You see, so how is that still a mindset that is punishment? How is anything that can give you decent source of income be called punishment? Really?
And what about the
no pain, no gain, even if it's punishment.
That is
no
true.
Pain, no gain.
That's true. So
okay, I can't be here forever.
I wanted to ask you something about the investment, because a lot of people have the idea.
He said that and the BBC was telling me that when you think of poultry, you are thinking of investment. But you need one layer, one cockerel. Okay. One female chicken, one male chicken. Huh? Yeah. And you started your farm. Don't eat the eggs. Allow it to hatch.
Okay, and then reproduce. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Thank you very
much. Start it, and someone is going to be willing to help. Right? But nobody, I mean, you can't just come to me and say I want to be a poultry farmer. You have no expertise. You haven't even tried it. Maybe you're like me, I'm afraid of live chicken.
Wow.
No, I can't go near live chicken.
Wow.
Yeah. So you have to prove that you are capable or you have the passion to do it. And I'm sure the support is there.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you very much. At the National Farmers Day, Poultry Farmers Day, but here we met a certain lady, a beautiful lady who has her own product, and product which when you taste it or if you eat it, every nutrition that you want in the world, you get it, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
For the health benefit, for breakfast, and also you can use it for, let's say, dinner in the last minute if you are going to sleep. Ma'am, what do you have here? Your name first.
Okay, Mama Raki. Mama Raki Enterprise. We are into Tom Brown production, that is cereal and Lego maize production, and they are in 6 variants. We have wheat maize, rice maize, oat maize, rice soya maize, and rice tiger nut maize. And it's for breakfast, and you can also eat it as dinner. If you don't want to have a heavy dinner, you can use it as such. And we also have natural seasoning. It's for your stews, seasoning your fish and your meat. And we also have natural shea butter for your hair and the body. That's where we are located at Kaswa Adade Estate.
Kaswa Adade Estate. What I want to know from all what you are showing us or telling us, that are you the one who produce it?
Yes.
And also, if you are the one who produces it, is it organic? Is everything here organic?
Okay. So I'm the one who produce all these products, and our products are organic because we want to encourage eat Ghana, wear Ghana, and all that. So we don't add any foreign materials to our products. Everything is organic, purely organic.
Everything is organic.
Yes.
Pure organic.
We want to encourage made in Ghana products.
Made in Ghana products.
Yes.
So you are one of the agenda, Eat Ghana.
Yes, I am.
Eat Ghana, drink Ghana, wear Ghana, cream Ghana.
Yes.
Cream your body
Cream
Ghana.
your body
so
Ghana.
do you cream your body Ghana?
Yes, I use shea butter for my hair and my body too.
I can see your
For
body.
the past 4 years.
You are looking very beautiful.
Thank
Is
you.
it because of the shea butter?
Yes.
Beautiful. So,
And with that Tom Brown, it is FDA approved.
okay.
Yes.
So everything here is FDA approved.
Yes.
The Tom Brown. I saw rice something, rice tagan or something. What is that?
Yes,
Explain it a bit more, because
okay.
it's not common in the market.
So with our Tom Brown, this is rice tiger nuts maize. We've mixed the Tom Brown with tiger nuts. So the ingredients are rice. Our rice, we use brown rice. It's very nutritious, and we use soya beans, ground nuts, and the tiger nuts. It's very delicious and nutritious as well. We have the big one and the small one.
So, is it reasonable for people to buy and eat?
Yes, it's very affordable.
It's very affordable.
And we do delivery across the nation.
Okay.
Yes.
So give us your location and your contact number or your social media handles.
Okay, so on Facebook we are Mama Raki Foods and More, and all the social media handles we are Mama Raki Foods and More.
Can you spell Mama Raki?
Mama Raki, Mama M-A-M-A, and the Raki is R-A-C-H-Y. Foods and More.
Mama Raki
Foods and More.
Mama Raki. Thank you very much.
And More.
Mama Raki,
Yes.
thank you very much. And
Yes.
you're based in
Kaswa Adade Estate.
Adade
And our
Estate.
contact is 0243-227564 or 055-4499-008.
all of them on WhatsApp.
All of them on WhatsApp.
If someone wants more to go and sell, or take it more and go and retail it, is it possible?
Yes, and we are also into customized orders. Yes. So
do you produce it in yourself in a factory? You have your own factory?
Yes, we have our own factory at Kaswa, and it has been inspected by FDA. Yes.
And everything is JJ.
JJ.
Thank you very much.
Organic.